He's gonna move it.
Okay, let's try it
Yeah,
again.
still kind of shaking a little.
My batteries are dead in my camera and my other phone.
Okay,
It's dead.
this is hard to do while I'm looking into a phone. All right, we're gonna go that way a little bit, and I'm not gonna push it hard, but you gotta keep it up.
Where we going?
Okay, what are you gonna do? That was a straight shot, you gotta make it turn. No, that doesn't count.
Those don't
coming
count.
back.
You gonna bring it back?
Okay,
Yep.
that counts. Sorry, we're being shady.
That was my fault, that was a terrible rule, I'm sorry, buddy. All right, let's go out here, come on. Okay, we're gonna come out here. All right, and we're gonna go down the hall a little bit. You ready?
Go.
Okay.
See that one when you're in Hero.
Nice curve. What else can you do with it? You gonna bring it over towards me? No, it's heading the wrong way, isn't it?
Can you bring it back?
Bring it,
Bring it back.
Bring it back this way. Excellent.
There it goes.
come on.
Bring it back a little further.
Oh,
close. You gotta
you
tell us
almost
whose
did
turn
it,
is.
come on,
Bring
keep
it back
it
to me.
moving.
There it comes.
Keep it
I
moving.
think it's your turn.
Come on, push it, push it, push it.
Bring it back a little further.
What are you, hungry or something? You want us to put some batteries down for you?